It has audio. Get her. Dink it over here. Keep that in mind when your car gets here. Told me it's like, oh, it turned out really bad. Oh, look at that. Boy.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Live on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The foe and affection. I summon it dummy.
I'm just gonna leave all of this in.
As long as it has audio. Somebody come get her. Dancing. Oh, look, I don't even need you. Sucker. Okay, where's that Sharpie?
I thought I gave it back to you.
I'll still have you hold it.
I definitely gave it back to you.
Nope. Set it over here. Like a little bit. See, I needed a mark like there and then like this. See, that's what I needed. So now I can clean this and I still have. Boom. See? See how that works, Dave? See how that works? I really don't even need you this time.
You don't need it sitting like up and flat?
No, I want it a little over so I can get some weld on the side. Because I can fill that gap. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Hit that shit.
Yeah, with those ugly ass welds, you can fill anything.
You about to weld your whole turbo kit like this.
No, you're not. I need you to be on your A game.
Put your finger on it. Don't let it.
Where are you going?
I'm going right here.
Hold on.
Don't move it. You ready?
My freaking glove is on.
I told you it was going to get hot.
You burnt? Whoa! Oh, that's my glove. Black one?
Yeah. You got it. Come on. Okay, let's go see how this looks.
You lost it.
I'm lost it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Good, Dave?
Yep.
So I'm kind of up at the front.
Oh, shit.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it?
Yep.
What a tease. There you go.
I'm very festive.
Look at that. Look at that. Joe's even got factory carpet now. You know it's factory when it's got the little plastic thing on it.
Got the little plastic footrest.
Dang. We are back in the vlog. So Joe actually made this really cool swirl tank that hooks up to his radiator. It's kind of like an overflow tank for the radiator, but anyways, he actually made it from this like do-it-yourselfer kit, and it was like a I don't know, just like a raw aluminum. It wasn't even a brush, it was just like a raw aluminum. Anyways, I have it right here. He asked me if I would try polishing it because he saw that I polished my turbo and it came out pretty good. So I've been kind of messing with him all day, saying, I was like, man, it just didn't come out really good. When in reality, I was sanding it last night and I already knew, I was like, man, this thing is gonna come out really good. If you guys know Joe, he's really particular about his parts for his car, just like the rest of us are. Joe's just maybe a little more OCD than the rest of us. So I was kind of nervous to do something for Joe that's actually gonna go on one of his cars. So I wanted this to come out really good. But anyways, I'm really excited with how it came out. So we're gonna surprise Joe with this. I've been telling him all day that it didn't come out good, and we're just gonna drop it off at his little powder coater and get his buddy to powder coat it for him because it did not come out good. When in reality, this is like the best piece I've ever polished. I wish I would have filmed it, but it was really cold today and it's about to snow and the shop was just super cold, so I didn't film much of it. But we're gonna take this over to Joe and see what he thinks of it. I should have gone over all the updates we did yesterday because I didn't really ask you about the updates yesterday.
What updates?
All the stuff we got done yesterday.
They haven't seen the interior?
No, I did like some slow-mo shots.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't get a single edited photo.
Well, I'm busy, Joe. Doing your work here.
I'll keep that in mind when your car gets here. I'm busy, Dave. Sorry. So you're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording this whole time. The fans are waiting.
Fans are waiting. So Dave polished this and he trolled me. It was like, oh, it turned out really bad. I knew better.
I mean, I'm no professional, but...
He's no professional, but I bet you it looks pretty good.
I'm a hobbyist.
Hobbyist.
I'm now taking on
You wrapped
hobbyist.
it like it's Christmas.
Well, be careful. Don't touch it and get your fingerprints all over.
I can't even touch it.
No, you can.
No, I will never touch it barehanded. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, boy.
I think it came out pretty good.
No, it looks really good.
I think it's one of the better pieces I've done, actually. For a hand polish, pretty good.
Oh, looks good. Brady, what you think?
Looks good.
I mean, you even like made my welds look better.
Someone had to.
Someone had to because I can't weld. I mean, some of those don't look bad.
No, the welds look good.
It's been a while since
Joe hasn't done aluminum in a while. Let's see what it looks like in
It's been
there.
a while.
So yeah, I just hand polished that, did some sanding on it. But yeah, I think it's actually one of the better pieces I've done.
No, it looks really good.
Not
I
bad.
knew when
I spent
I
some.
wasn't gonna question it. I was like, I didn't want to hurt your feelings if it actually did turn out bad.
Wait till the video ends, guys. Then he's gonna hurt my feelings.
Yeah.
It's only because he's on camera right now. Wow. Now it's. Yeah, I'll just cut it out. Say whatever you want. So Brady ran some lines yesterday to this all the way up front. Did you run both or just one? Just one. We're missing one fitting. So Joe's got a lot done though. He's been working. Got the battery all mounted up nice and tight in there. Redid the carbon fiber. Got the fuel tank in there. Ow! That is loud. Making some progress. Joe's gonna start wiring soon, it looks like. He's got the dash out.
Yeah, I'm kind of starting already.
He's got the dash out. There's a little screen. So he's got the Dominator mounted up there. All the fuses and relays. The leash. Got the carpet in yesterday. Look at that factory looking carpet. Looks good. Very street car.
Very street.
Brady, is that street car enough for you?
Oh yes. How's it look, baby Dave?
Looks not.
You can go to Taco Villa, it's a street car.
Oh,
That's all that matters.
Look at that.
That looks pretty good.
looks really good.
Dave's hand polishing. Doesn't look bad at all. So Joe,
You could be DCF
put some
too.
rivets in there.
Custom finishing.
I'm gonna get copyright infringement. So Joe put some riv nuts in the bar and then just bolts up right there. Super easy
It's
access.
pretty, I just put the cap on. It's as far back as it can go, but it's high enough so it's higher than the rest of the system.
Yeah, it's got to be above so it doesn't get air
the
bubbles.
radiator's right here, so that thing goes right into the
Okay,
radiator.
question. Why is it called a swirl tank and not like an overflow? Is it the same
actually
deal?
swirls it. So you see how it comes in crooked, and you build them so it returns this way, and then as it exits, it's swirling this way, and it swirls out.
What's the point?
It's supposed to get all the air out of the system better.
Ah, okay,
It's supposed to be able to burp the system better.
Yeah, interesting. Well, there you go. If you guys didn't know. So this is a do-it-yourself kit. So it comes with like the cylinder, you had to weld the end caps on, and then you had to weld the back tubes on.
Yeah, everything. Both tubes, both top and bottom. The cap, this piece wasn't part of that. I welded on the inside, so.
Looks good.
And then you got to cut all the holes. Like it's custom. You make it for your application.
Nice.
Which that's why like this one's a little shorter. I made this one longer to clear the tube. So like it turned out good, and it wasn't even that expensive. Like I want to say the whole kit was like $125.
Well, that's not bad at all. And then Joe just made a custom little bracket for it. Yeah. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Like it turned out, I think it's super nice. Like this area looks really good now.
Yeah, pretty much the back end is done. Joe's got to make a little trim piece here.
Yeah, got one little trim piece, and then we got to add some fittings to the tank. But really, yeah, the battery's mounted. Yeah.
Yeah, everything's.
I gotta put the anti-roll bar back in.
Yeah,
so.
I don't need that.
Nothing's gonna fit once I put that in.
Yeah, we don't need that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that update on Joe's car. He's made a ton of progress on his Mustang. He's moving right along. He's actually getting ahead of us, so I need some parts to get here. I did get some 304 stainless steel pipe to make the merge for the turbo. So today's Tuesday. We got some weather. We didn't get as much snow as they originally forecasted, so hopefully the engine actually gets here tonight, or it'll be here tomorrow during the day. So we are just literally days away from getting the engine and finally putting it in. So hopefully that gets here really soon. Like I said, I think besides the engine and the converter, once those two things are here, we really have everything we need, minus like a few small odds and ends, fittings, things like that. Might need to go buy some small stuff, but everything else should be here within the next couple days. So just wanted to get that video out for you guys, give you guys some updates on Joe's car because he is making a ton of progress. And we have to get a lot done on his car in order for him to work on my car. So it's gonna be a lot of work, a lot of build videos coming up soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment down below. I will see you guys on the next one.